Hi friends, Bill here with an honest review of this wonderful outdoor wicker reclining rocking chair with some really comfy cushions on it. Let's take a closer look. We have this chair at our place in Michigan's beautiful Upper Peninsula, sitting out on the deck overlooking the water. And the truth is, there's no place I'd rather sit because this chair has maximum comfort for a bigger guy like me. I'm about 6'5", and I can't stand being on flimsy chairs that always feel like I'm going to fall out of them. This chair also comes with really comfortable, very thick cushions, both for your back and for underneath. And you can sit out here and both rock back and forth, glide forward and back, and of course you can rotate in pretty much any direction you want to. When you have a setting like this, you really want to be able to enjoy it without always feeling like you need to search for a more comfortable chair. And the truth is, ever since I picked this chair up, it's been my favorite place to sit out here on the deck. Heavy duty, very rugged, very durable, fine for outside. Of course, if a big storm is coming, you want to take the cushions in. They're not going to be ruined by some rain, but it might take a little while for them to dry out, right? By the way, very thick armrest. I like that kind of thing where, not like on the airplane where you're always fighting for the 1 inch of armrest that you have. These are very, very comfortable all the way around. Highly recommend it. And if you have a chance to put it outside on a patio or on a deck and just kick back and relax, I think you'll be very happy.